Please tell me
Hello.
your name, your age, and your civil status.
Okay. My name is Sandra Escalora. I'm 32 years old. I'm single. I finished like graduated as a nurse, but I am not a lecturer.
Okay. Do you have children, Sandra?
Yes, I am 2 years old.
Okay. And if you will be selected and you will come here, who will be taking care of your child?
My mother and my sister.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 50 and my sister is 27.
Okay.
She's single.
Okay. Sandra, tell me about your working experience.
Yes, I work in Saudi Arabia in Riyadh.
Okay.
Properly, and then I maintain their comfortable, quiet environment, taking
So,
vital signs. I monitor glucose level, and then my patient is diabetic, and she is in dialysis 3 times a week.
okay, Sandra, just a second because I couldn't hear you very well. The connection is very bad. So, you worked in Saudi Arabia as a medical assistant?
Private nurse, ma'am.
Private nurse, okay.
Home base.
In a hospital?
Home base, ma'am.
Home, okay, I see. For how long?
Years.
2 years?
8, ma'am.
8 years. Oh,
Yes.
a long time.
Yes, and also I also have experience diabetic. So
I see. Tell me, how was your job? You worked in many patients?
Actually, the first 2 years I worked with my employer, but my employer father. And then after about 1.5 years, the father of my employer died because he was so sick already.
Yes.
And too much complication. And then my employer transferred me in his sister with diabetic, 2 children. They are diabetic. They are teenagers.
So you worked also with children and older
Yeah.
people?
Yes, ma'am.
Describe me your job. What were your responsibilities with the children, with the old people also?
Yes. Usually they are diabetic, so I clean sometimes, then bed bath. I cook. I giving them a proper diet, and I administer insulin, then vital sign. Then sometimes I'm taking them to the hospital for dialysis.
I see. Okay. After these 2 years, you went back to Philippines?
Yes, ma'am, for vacation.
And after
Then
2
come
years
back-
for vacation
back
and come
again.
back. But
Yes.
after this experience in Saudi, you had your baby in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
I see. Okay. Have you had any experience with children in Philippines?
My baby.
Okay.
I'm the one who is handling my baby since birth.
I see. Here in Romania, as a nanny, you will have to take care of the children, but also while he is sleeping or while he is in school, you have to take care of the household chores.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I want to ask you if you will agree with this, if this is okay with you.
Ma'am, it's okay for me because I am doing that also in Saudi like that.
Oh, I see. So you are used to this.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, the contract will be for 2 years. That means that you won't see your child during these 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
You are okay with this?
Yes, we are Filipinos. It's very common for us.
I see. Okay. I want to ask you, what do you think is the most difficult part of being a nanny?
I think when the children has it's very naughty like that, and the children listening sometimes.
Okay. What do you do?
Also, mom,
Tell me.
also, mom, if the children sometimes is sick,
Yes, yes,
like
yes, yes.
yes, if she is sick, sometimes a problem.
What do you do if the child is sick? If the child has high fever, what is the first thing that you do?
First, I will take the the temperature.
Yes, yes.
Then if the temperature is high, I will put ice pack or sometimes wet towel in head.
Okay.
Yes.
And let's say that the children doesn't want to eat. How do you convince him to
Doesn't
eat?
want.
To eat, yes.
I will do something like I will tell them what is the importance of eating, and I'm thinking this is the one. It's good. You will be healthy. I will talk to him in the children's way.
Okay. Tell me, how would you like to spend your day off here in Romania?
It's depend, mom. If I have a friend, then sometimes I will visit my friend or roaming around to see what is in Romania.
Okay. If everything will go well with the family, would you like to renew the contract with them after 2 years?
Yes, mom. I like it.
Okay. Also, I want to ask you, if you were to choose to live in another country different from Canada and USA, where would you like to live?
I like in Canada.
And a different one from Canada? Another country different from Canada and USA?
Maybe somewhere in Scandinavian country
No, okay, okay.
like Norway, Switzerland.
Yes, yes. Okay. And now a private, also personal question. I want to ask you, if have you ever been physically or verbally aggressed in the job that you had before, in your previous
Yes, ma'am.
job?
Yes, ma'am. I experienced
You
that.
experienced that?
Yes, ma'am.
And how you proceed then? How?
I talked to him. I talked to him in a very nice way. And also I mean I work very hard, and then I move decent.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sandra.